DocuSign envelope templates and document templates can help you streamline and manage how agreements are prepared. But you might be wondering, what is the difference between an envelope template and a document template? An envelope template is a reusable container that can be used to quickly send envelopes for signature. It includes documents, recipients or recipient placeholders, pre-configured sending settings, and recipient fields. They are perfect for scenarios where you or your users frequently send the same or similar documents. For example, imagine your team frequently sends master services agreements. You can create an envelope template that includes the MSA document itself, along with a mandatory consent form, recipient roles for the customer and supplier, a custom email subject and reminder frequency, and the relevant recipient fields. When a user needs to send an MSA for signature, they can simply choose the template, enter the recipient's details, and send the envelope in just a few clicks. This streamlines the sending process and reduces the risk of errors by ensuring that all the template components are included in the envelope. A document template is different. It's a single, standardized document that includes recipients or recipient placeholders and fields to customize the document for each customer and situation, but it does not include the sending settings. It's designed to be your organization's definitive version of an agreement and can be centrally managed for consistency and efficiency. Finally, a document template can be added to one or multiple envelope templates. Here's why that's so powerful. Imagine you need to update a clause in the consent form, and you've used the same consent form in multiple envelope templates. Manually replacing the document in each envelope template could be time-consuming and prone to errors. Instead, you can create a document template for the consent form and include the document template in all the relevant envelope templates. This way, whenever you make a change to the document template, the change will then automatically update in every envelope template that uses it, saving you time and preventing errors. Let's go back to our initial envelope template example. We realized that the same consent form is used across multiple envelope templates, so we decided to create a document template. We uploaded our consent form, added the relevant recipient placeholder, and recipient fields to the document template. Then, we edited each envelope template that contains the consent form and replaced the static document with the consent form document template. Going forward, if we need to modify a clause in the consent form, we will only need to do it once on the document template, and the changes will automatically replicate to all the envelope templates. Finally, both envelope templates and document templates can support document generation for e-signature. When you upload a DocX document to an envelope or document template, you can use the Agreement Template Builder to include sender fields and dynamic tables to dynamically generate the document based on information provided by the sender, and add logic rules to show or hide text based on sender field data. When a user sends an envelope from the envelope or document template, they will be prompted to enter sender field data. This data will be used to dynamically generate the document before it can be sent for signature. Let's summarize the key similarities and differences between envelope and document templates. Both can be used to send documents for signature, generate customized documents via the Agreement Template Builder, and can even be incorporated into DocuSign Maestro workflows. Only envelope templates allow you to configure sending settings such as reminders, expiration, and custom email subject and message. Finally, a document template can be linked to multiple envelope templates. Any modifications made to the document template will automatically update all associated envelope templates.